Today's recipe is not just interesting but also a little funny because name of this dish is song. This is definitely not the usually understood song of English dictionary. I don't know who has named the dish as song, but this dish is simple as well as a melody of flavors. It is fascinating to see how words mean different things in different languages. Welcome back to yet another episode of Happy Cooking. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. The first ingredient to prepare this dish is definitely beetroots. Here we have taken 2 medium-sized beetroots. Because the style of cutting the vegetable impacts the flavor of the dish, we have chopped the beetroot into teeny tiny cubes. For this, let's add about half a liter of water and cook this in a pressure cooker for a whistle. We can make a tasty rasam out of this cooked water, so please add drinking water. By the time beetroots are cooked, let's prepare the masala for the recipe. For this, let's start by heating a little coconut oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, let us add about a tablespoon of coriander seeds. After adding coriander seeds, let's add about 18 to 20 dry red chillies to this. Let us roast these ingredients for a while on a low flame. Once the roasted ingredients are at room temperature, let us transfer it to a mixer grinder. For this, let's add half a cup or 50 grams of freshly grated coconut. And then let's add about 5 grams of pre-soaked tamarind. Let us add some water to this mixture and then grind it into a fine paste. In no time, we have our spicy, tangy masala for the dish. Here, our beetroots are cooked as well. Let us strain the water used for cooking with the help of a strainer. As beetroots have healthy antioxidants, please do not throw this water. Let us learn to make a simple, tasty as well as healthy rasam out of this water in another video. Now let's get back to our song and heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a heavy bottomed pot. Once the oil is hot, let's add 3 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Let us fry these onions till it turns translucent and loses its rawness. And now is the time to add our masala, so let's go ahead and add the masala. After adding the masala, add water as required. If you add too much water, it loses its flavors. Having said that, if you add less water, it becomes too spicy and hard with respect to consistency. After cooking masala for a while, let's add the cooked beetroots. My mouth is watering when I see the mixture of this beetroots and masala. But before that, we have to add the king of flavors, Mr. Salt. After thoroughly mixing the salt, it's important to cover the lid and cook this for 15 minutes on low flame. And it is also important to stir the mixture once in 5 minutes so that it doesn't get burnt. Look at this. After 15 minutes, the beets and masala have come together. The flavor-filled fragrance of this is simple and melodious like a song. I want to start eating this immediately with hot rice and dalitoi. We are sure that you will make this at your homes and have it with your family. If you like this recipe, do click that thumbs up button and like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. Let's meet again with a new recipe. Until then, enjoy life, celebrate cooking, and have fun.